Right. Fuel. Hoping to start this bike today. GSXR 1000 K5. It's a rather grumpy mechanic working on said bike. Don't say anything racist, Paul, you're on camera.
No, I can't do that. I'm not confusing.
So what are you doing now then?
What we're doing now is not putting copper grease on the spark plug threads. And we are putting the spark plug into said motor vehicle.
Okay.
With the optimism that it might actually go vroom vroom.
I'm hoping so. Well, we've ruled out the fact that it's not going to shoot things out of the exhaust and go bang bang.
We hope not.
You turned it over and it seemed to...
It turns over lovely. And I cured the oil leak that you didn't know about.
Oil leak?
No, not anymore.
Where was it?
Cam chain tensioner.
Ah. You had one job. Actually, you had quite a few jobs. So Paul keeps reminding me that I could have spent the money I spent on this bike. I should have bought a brand new GSXR. But you know, you grow attached to things, don't you?
Herpes.
It's almost go time. How many months has it been?
Some.
Some of the parts that have gone into this bike. Yoshimura cams. Those are the old cams over there. New bearings all round. Expensive parts. New brake discs. New calipers.
Box.
Very expensive box. Very, very expensive box. I shall keep that box.
I shall have myself buried, my ashes buried in that box.
Akrapovic full exhaust system. I had that before, but used pulled polishing wheel to get it nice and shiny. He didn't see the merit of all that. He just likes riding the bikes.
Shinier don't make it quicker.
Yeah, true.
Right then, should we think about throwing some fuel over it? In it, sorry.
After all your hard work, don't throw fuel over it. Right, let's get the fuel. First start up in
Maybe.
how many months?
Christ knows how many months.
Almost a year. Any FI lights?
No.
No.
Good. Big battery's a bit low.
Yeah. Take two. Whoa. What's that? The fuck? She lives! Oh.
Nice quite engine. All lights on.
Right.
But I know it's got pressure because we had the oil leak.
Yeah. Shut it down.
Yeah. Well, let's have a look, see what the FI light is.
Got an FI light.
Which is not really a shock.
No, there's still quite a few things detached from this bike, isn't there? So
yeah. One of them might be the oil pressure. Right, what have we got? Yeah, clear. Strange.
Noise testing, Paul.
That's not gonna fucking help, right?
Oh, I can talk to you now. Will that pass noise testing?
Yeah. Quiet.
Yeah, he did it! He did it! He did it!
That's nice, isn't it?
Sounds lovely. So it works then.
Right, should we go throw it upside down somewhere?
Were you trying to say that I'm going to crash when I ride it next?
No. Just go throw loads of gravel over it.
I'm a reformed character. This,
It's now safe.
Yeah. Give me my keys. White man stole my bike.
I'm not on a moped.
It does sound a bit scary, Paul, actually. Yeah, I'm not sure I should have done all this to the bike. Perhaps,
That's alright, we'll just take a plug cap off.
Perhaps you're right in saying it didn't need more power.
That's alright, we'll just restrict it with plug caps.
Yeah, should we go for a 33 brake horsepower restriction kit? Have you got one of them for these?
I think what you need next is turbo. And some nitrous.
It's just not quick enough. I can't wheelie it, you know. I can't wheelie it.
That's ability. The bike's fine.
Right, so we have a GSXR 1000 K5 model back together almost. All the main bits are done.
Well, running?
Running.
That's nice.
It's a big step forward for the last few months. Next step is the Brembo master cylinder that needs to come off my SV650. And then bodywork, I guess, after that. How's the battery looking?
Battery is 3,
Okay.
fully up.
Excellent. There we have it.